itchy skin. Okay, hi guys. So we're making water today. Not just plain old water, the fancy Walmart water. Just kidding, not even the Walmart water, even better. The Dollar Tree water that comes with the fish tank. So I think that will be really good. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So first you'll put in some slime because we like slime. Slime. You need some marbles. Thanks, props man. You get it right in the bowl. Oh. Get it right in the bowl with that googly eye and the slime. Yum. Now we're gonna be putting some fish fish. Next thing you need is some nice fish poo. It's diarrhea actually, 'cause it's really runny. So next thing is confetti. Now you're gonna be taking it out of the oven, and you have some of your slime water. Now we have our water with some of the beads on it, and it's really delicious. I'm just gonna drink some.